Hey guys, welcome back to This Week on Sledgehammer Horror. I'm Ashley Sledge, and let's talk horror. So this week on My First Horror Movie, Monday, we have Courtney and Stefanie of They're Terrified and Tipsy. Tuesday, we have Anthony and Mandy of the upcoming Friday the 13th, Bloodloss. Wednesday, we have Camille Sullivan of Hunter x Hunter, Shorsey, and more. Friday, we have Daniel C. Davis of Slaughter Beach and more. Saturday, we have Peter M. Olsen of Matty, Cat, Inner Child, and more. And then we have our live on July 19th with J-Dev ranking all the movies in the Child's Play, Saw, Scream, and Evil Dead franchise. So come out, hang out with us, and give us your rankings. All right, guys, as always, I hope you have a fantastic week. Keep talking horror, stay who you are, and if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Bye, guys.